National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jack County and north central Texas, northwestern Wise County and north central Texas until 3:45 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over north central Jack County, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will otherwise remain over many areas of the indicated counties. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed.